In this short tutorial, you will learn how to disable calls on Telegram. Disabling calls can help you avoid interruptions and focus on your tasks without being disturbed by incoming voice or video calls. To get started, open up the Telegram app and then tap on the Settings button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down a bit and tap Privacy and Security. Then scroll down again and tap on the Call option. Now you'll see an option called Who Can Call Me, and it's set to everybody. To disable calls on Telegram, simply tap and select the Nobody option. If you want to add exceptions and allow some people to call you, just tap where it says Add Users and add them. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.